This is my dog chasing a feather duster. Come on! However, I do let her get it, just not just yet. She needs to work.
It's a cross between a burp and a
Sit.
fart and a sneeze. Yeah. So do it. Burp, fart, sneeze. I can't.
I won't.
Look at that one. That's a worm. He's doing a worm. He's doing a worm. Look, we don't see this stuff in Georgia. We don't have a gun alley. We don't have these 5,000-pound animals that just lay in the sand and fluff sand up. And
She knows when I'm getting serious. Hey. Come on. Yes, there's better light in here, huh? Hey, Chicky, what's going on? So we can see what's going on. Come! Come on! Come on! Good dog. Come on! Sit. Good girl. Oi! Oi! Good girl. Come on! Come on! And yes, this is how I get her tired. Especially if she's feeling a bit too energetic in the evenings. Oops! Come on! Whee! Come on! Come on! One more time! There we go. And come on. Good girl. Oi. Good dog. Oi. Good girl. Good girl. I've been training her to let go and I say oi. Hey, Chicky. Come on. Oi. Good girl. Come on. Whee. She's not as excited as she was.